Hi everybody and welcome to Smart Home Improvement People today. So what we're going to talk about is, obviously we're coming to the end of the year. You know, it's almost Christmas now, and before we know it, a few days later it will be 2025. So what are going to be, or suspected to be, the top home improvements that people are going to be looking to do in 2025? So there's been a poll done for what people are most looking to do, and these are the ones that came out top. Now, not everybody's going to be looking at doing these, but these are the main ones, okay? So, top of the list is obviously having a new kitchen, okay? Because obviously kitchen space, extremely valuable. You know, it's where the heart of the home can be to a degree. You know, personally, my wife doesn't know where the kitchen is, but it is one of the top ones. Coming in second place, okay, is having a new extension. Okay, so it's only a small extension, but obviously extensions can be quite expensive. You know, a lot of people either go for the extension or they go for a conservatory or an orangery, but that was the one that came in at number 2. In third place came the good old-fashioned porch. You know, the good old entrance to any property that people are always looking to get done. And in fourth place came the conservatory. You know, I'm actually quite surprised because a lot of these are things that I'm actually involved in. Okay, now the next one is one I moan at my wife about all the time. Okay, so hopefully she ain't going to be listening to this, knowing that I've made a slight dig. Okay, and the next one is to declutter. You know, I know my one particular member of my family, I won't mention who it is, he's always moaning about his wife about decluttering, but you know, that's one thing that can obviously make a huge difference. You know, if you declutter, there's potential you can make more room in the house, you know, making more space and everything. Or it may be a case of, you know, bringing in new types of cupboards or something like that to get things out of the way. Okay. And the last one, okay, and this can be taken in a few different directions, which is boosting your home's curb appeal. And when I say curb appeal, most people aren't going to know a lot of people aren't going to really know what I'm talking about when you say curb appeal. What do you mean by curb appeal? Well, what you basically mean is when somebody comes to your house, what's the first thing that they see? Some people will say the door. So that could be having a nice new door, like a composite door, or you know, something like that. You know, some people will even go down the route of having like a French door as their front door. There's the argument you could even put a porch there. That could be classified as curb appeal. And then if you want to be a bit bolder, and if you've got a garden at the front, it could be renovating your whole garden. You may not have a wall. You may decide you want to put a wall and a new gate in there. You know, maybe getting some flowers and doing a nice little border going all around your front garden, something like that. So that's what I mean by curb appeal. So curb appeal you can take in a few different directions. Okay, and the very last one is updating your bathroom. Okay, so these are the ones for 2025. You know, some of them are very potentially expensive, which when you're looking at like conservatory or an extension, you know, they can run into tens of thousands potentially. But then there's some things which can be quite cheap when you go on like your curb appeal at the end of the day. You know, you can do that relatively cheap, to be honest, at the end of the day. You know, so let us know if any of these things are things that you might consider or you've ever thought about. But for now, thanks for listening. Okay, Please do like and share the video as well, and leave us a comment at the bottom. But for now, thanks for listening, and we'll speak to you again a bit later.